So I just want to say that I slicked my hair with my usual edge controls. I sprayed it a little bit with some Got2b spray, and I blow dried it on a cool setting. The bun, I would say to do that, but just be careful not to have too much hair on the head, because once you put it on, you're gonna be like, I look crazy. So just be careful of that. Do whatever is easy for you. Using my curved needle and thread, I'm going to be going through my bun, my real hair, as well as through the donut bun. It's nothing perfect, as you can see. I just want to make sure that this ponytail is secured. So go through your bun and through the donut as many times as you need to for that extra security. And then you also can go in and actually pin in some places just for your liking, basically. And then of course, just playing with the little fringy area. You can make it into a full bang, you know, in the front, or I like to kind of have it split up to kind of give it some little side bangs situation. That way you can, you know, see the brow. You can see that you actually have a ponytail. It looks really, really cute. I love this look so much. This is just too cute. I feel like I'm in the 90s or something, you know? That's like one of my favorite eras anyway, but it's giving very much old school and I'm all for it. Gotta have the big hoops. It'll be cute. I'm feeling myself. I am. Just real cute. Yeah, I'm digging it. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Join the family, join the journey. Also, all the information on this hair and all of my links are below in the description. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiaunna. It's not _ Tati TV anymore. It's I am Tatiaunna, and I will see you in my next video.
You